So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to transfer WhatsApp chat from Android 17 to iPhone 17. Move, chat history and media. So method first is using Move to iOS. Turn on your iPhone 17 and follow the setup prompts to reach the apps and data screen. Select Move data from Android on the iPhone. Then a 6-digit or 10-digit code will be displayed on the iPhone. Open the Move to iOS app on your Android 17 and follow the prompts until prompted for a code. Then enter the code displayed on your iPhone into your Android phone. Then on the Android transfer data screen, check the box for WhatsApp. Tap Start on the Android screen to prepare your data for export. WhatsApp will automatically sign you out after preparing the data. Tap Next, then tap Continue on your Android to begin the wireless data movement. Keep both phones next to each other and undisturbed until the loading bar on the iPhone finish completely. Second method is using a third-party transfer tool. Download one of the transfer applications like iCare Phone Transfer, Wondershare, Doctor Phone or Synchronize on your Windows or Mac. Connect both your Android and iPhone 17 to the computer using USB drive or cable. Open the software and select the WhatsApp transfer option. Set your Android as a source device and the iPhone 17 as the destination device. Follow on-screen prompt including enabling USB debugging on your Android device. The software will process your data and facilitate a seamless transfer. Thanks for watching.